Next is the combined system. So in a water carriage system, that is WCS, water carriage system. In water carriage system, there is another system called combined system. What is this combined system? Um, Combined means clubbing together, as the name indicates, clubbing together of sewage water or sewer water, the wastewater which is coming out from the domestic sewage, that is the wastewater coming out from the kitchen, bathroom, toilet, that wastewater, that is called as sewage water. That sewage water and the water which is flowing, from the surface of the road or the surface of the houses, that is the runoff. This runoff or the rainwater get mixed together, and that will be carried away and that will be taken away from one point to another point through one system. That system is known as combined system. This combined system provides only one that combined system provides only one sewer to carry both the foul smell sewage water as well as the rainwater. These sewage and the rainwater are carried away to the sewage treatment plant before its disposal. This combined system is on the ground only, that a street surface washings are the impure, as the sewage itself should be, therefore suitable treatment should be allowed to enter the natural streams. That's about the combined system. Next we'll see the advantage. So what is this advantage? The system requires only one set of the sewers, hence the maintenance cost is very reduced. That is one of the advantage. Next advantage is the sewers are in the larger in size, therefore there is a chance of choking or very rare, and it can be easily cleaned. Next, another advantage is the strength of the sewage is reduced by the dilution. So when the water is get increased, when the rainwater get mixed with the sewage water, the dilution will be takes place. When the dilution will takes place, the amount of the waste, amount of the polluted in the water will get reduces. So it will be get diluted. That is the another advantage. And as the dilution will takes place, the amount of the chemicals which is being chemicals or the amount of the energy which is required for the treatment of the wastewater will be reduced. There is a more air in the large sewer than the smaller sewer ones of the separate system. Hence, this sewer gas that may be formed get diluted, thus chances of foul smells will be reduces. So this is the advantage of this combined system. Next is the disadvantage of this combined system. So what is this disadvantage? The cost of the construction for this combined systems are very high because of this larger dimensions of the sewers. So whatever this it has been constructed for the sufficient depth to receive this sewage from the basements. So that is the cost wise it is a very disadvantage. And another disadvantage is because of the larger size of the sewers, their handling transportation is very difficult. Next is due to inclusion of the stormwater, the amount of the load or the amount of the treatment which can be carried away for the wastewater, polluted water, or the sewage water is very high. So it requires more energy and more cost also. So since the system is uneconomically, the circumstances when it is been pumping is required for the lifting of the sewage, the cost will be high. Next is during heavy rains, especially in the rainy seasons, the sewers may be overflow. So this may create unhygienic condition and cause the pollution problem. Next is the stormwater is unnecessarily polluted. Means rainwater unnecessarily it is polluted because it is been mixed with the sewage water. So unnecessarily it will get polluted. Next is large sewers get easily silted if the properly silted means the smaller size of the grains, it will be settled at the bottom. That will be silted. It not properly designed, and they may become foul in dry weather when the rainwater is not been available. Next is the large sewers are more difficult to ventilate than the smaller ones. So these are the disadvantages of the this combined system. Next video I will explain about the partial combined system. So that is another water carrier system where the partially it has been combined, or partially rainwater will be combined to the sewage water. That I will explain in the next video.